Sealing Fast is a cold bituminous sealant for the prevention and the maintenance of road pavements. It is a two-component product based on modified bitumen that solidifies in a short time by exploding a special hardening reaction that begins when the components are mixed. The product is used for sealing longitudinal, transverse, and joint cracks in asphalt or concrete pavements. If the crack is less than 1 cm wide, it should be winded with a special cutter, which can be used to create a channel for the sealant to adequately close the crack. Easy and safe, Sealing Fast can be used at outdoor temperatures between 5 and 30 degrees. Moreover, at lower temperature, unlike a hot sealant, it's not subject to thermal shock when it comes into contact with the cold road surface. The product can be applied using special sealing machines developed by us or manually, using a two-component cartridge. Sealing Fast is environmentally friendly, has a high technical performance, is easy to apply and perfect for permanent maintenance.